We are pleased to show you the 2020 Silverado 1500. The Chevy Silverado 1500 has the lowest cost of ownership of any full-size pickup. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power heated outside mirrors, automatic transmission, daytime running lights, remote power door locks, Bluetooth, cruise control, trip computer, power windows, tachometer, speed proportional power steering. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.